Welcome, hope you are all my dear friends, family, dear my student and brother and sister. That's fine and good. So I want to share my open talk experience first day. Uh, Open talk experience first day is very good, amazing because here almost uh, 4 or 5 friend become okay. First friend name I don't know because her don't name show, but he is a Bangladeshi. Okay, so he is a very helpful person and he is a student and he try job. Okay, government job, so he always try her English fluency improve, so he always speak listening reading writing and etc. Okay, and second my friend name is Lingesh. He is a Indian. Okay, so he very helpful and her mindset is very high because he always English practice reading and writing. Okay, so he first time very inspire me and motivate me. He tell me he and me beginner, so don't worry, just talk loudly and fluency. Okay, so second friend is very good and wow, uh, and he is a younger brother. And third friend, he is a Bangladeshi. He lives Shabar area and he job industry. Okay, so and he talk in, he share her WhatsApp number because next time he contact me and practice always. Okay, so after that for friend, her name is Salman Shah. He is a Afghanistan. He is very fluent speaker. I see. Okay, and he motivate me first time, inspire me, but he is a fluent speaker. Okay, and last time he share her WhatsApp number. Okay, and he connect, he and me connect WhatsApp. Okay, and night time he and me conversation, WhatsApp, text. Okay, and message. So he and me almost 30 minute conversation, text. Okay, and 15 minute before almost 20 minute speaking he and me. Okay, so first time and first day one talk app, my very excited moment, and this day very exciting. So I hope inshallah I will be a fluent speaker and day by day improve my English spoken journey. Okay, so if you are a beginner, so you can try online app Open Talk or others extra tab. This app very useful and helpful, so you can try your best, always listening speaking, reading and writing, only just for secret English fluency. Okay, so I am trying my best and every day 2 3 4 make video and upload my YouTube channel English Habit. So you can try your best, inshallah you will be a success and you can win, you can English. Okay, so your best try, inshallah you can win. So thank you so much watching this video. Next, see you soon my channel English Habit. So tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.